So hello guys, this is Adrian. Welcome back to my channel. So finally, after 1 month or 1 month, makapag-travel na tayo ulit. And this time, another international. So this would be my second international travel. I'll be going to Singapore from 11 to 15th of April. And then, mayroon akong back-to-back na travel pa. May kasunod pa ulit, pero local naman. So anyway, sa IO kanina, medyo maraming tanong sa akin compared dun sa travel ko to Australia. So kanina, tinanong ako, kailan ako uwi? Tinanong, sinong kasama ko? Ilan kami? Anong gagawin dun? Kung government affiliated or government employee ba ako? At kailan ako ulit uuwi? So yun, medyo siguro mga 6 yun na tanong. So depende talaga sa IO na mapupunta sa inyo pagdating nyo sa immigration. But it took us more or less than an hour lang to finish everything from check-in to immigration. So ayun, ngayon chill na lang waiting for our boarding time. So can't wait and tour in Singapore. So I'm gonna see you guys later. Bye! We are now in Changi Airport. Can't wait to explore. Let's go. So we're currently in our shuttle. Free shuttle to go into P1. Going to the dual Keme fountain. Let's go. We're here. Si Akla, tatanga-tanga, may nagtanong sa akin sa shuttle ko, hindi na ako may nakaupo sa tabi ko. Sabi ko wala. Hindi naman Pinoy. Bobo. So it's around 3:30 p.m. here. We slept for a bit kasi wala kaming tulog pare-parehas. So we're now off to look for a supermarket to buy stocks like water and everything kasi wala dun sa Airbnb namin. And yeah, so all the way from the airport, nag-grab na lang kami kasi may grab naman. Around $20 to reach here sa Chilang. And ayun, meron akong sasabihin na tip sana but I forgot. Pag naalala ko, sabihin ko na lang dito. So anyway, tatawid na muna kami. So naalala ko na yung tip ko sa inyo. Bumili kayo ng SIM card. So nakabili kami ng SIM card for around 500-600 pesos yun. Good for 2 weeks. Tapos 103 gig na yun. Meron na rin yung pang load, may pang text, may pang call, Facebook, WhatsApp, ganyan. So hindi namin dun yun sa may airport, pero hindi siya dun sa talagang bilihan. May katabi yun na tindahan na maliit, doon namin sa binili. So ayun, pag na kayong bumili ng pocket wifi or mag-roaming ng Globe, ganyan, kasi mas mahal, bumili lang kayo ng eSIM. So ayun. out again. Hanap kami ng food trip. Hanap kami ng night market para magpika-pika. Wala kaming gagawin talaga, kami kumain lang today. Tomorrow mag-start ang aming itinerary. So, let's eat! Grabe yung food namin. Sobrang busog. Pero recommended tong restaurant na to. Should try. Worth it. Pero a bit expensive kasi seafood. Pero good morning. Day 2 in Singapore. It's 6:30 AM pero sobrang dilim. Although it's raining. Sana maging okay yung weather mamaya. So we could tour around the city. Kain muna tayo ng breakfast. It's still raining. But we're off to the Gardens by the Bay. So it's raining really hard, though we don't want to waste our time. So nasa Gardens by the Bay kami. So to maximize places na pwedeng indoor while it's raining. But hopefully the sun will come out soon or kahit tomorrow. So let's explore! So we chose Cloud Forest. So hindi na kami nag Flower Garden or Flower Fantasy. Yung Cloud Forest na lang ipupuntahan namin. Let's go. Pero out of like 5 attractions sa Gardens by the Bay, 3 lang yung open kasi nga umuulan. So wala yung mga observatory and all. So ayun. Ganda. As a plantito, enjoy. Ganda dito, tsaka lamig. Although for sure yung lamig kasi medyo controlled to kumbaga para sa plants. So maintenance ng mga plants, ganyan. Pero ang gaganda ng plants, grabe. Yung mga gusto kong plants nandito na sobrang mahal. Pero it's nice. So we're further exploring Chinatown. Hanap na rin ng souvenir. We're Filipinos, so we have pasalubong.
Good morning, day 3 in Singapore. So medyo madilim pa actually, knowing na 6:46 AM na. Sa Philippines kasi diba pagdating ng mga 6 o'clock medyo araw-araw na. Dito hindi madilim pa kasi kahit gabi mga 7 medyo maliwanag pa dito. So ayun, we're planning to go to Sentosa today. Hopefully we have a good weather compared to yesterday kasi ang hirap maglakad-lakad kapag maulan. So ayun, let's go. Kain muna na tayo ng breakfast. Good morning. We are off to Sentosa. Let's go. Outfit check. Let's go. So, papunta na kami ng Sentosa. We're here for fall in line sa Sentosa Express. Let's go! Let's go! I can't wait. So excited to see everything. Finally here, Universal Studios. Pero, since may senior kaming kasama, hindi na ako papasok sa loob. Tsaka na yan pag yung mga friends na. Kasi baka hindi rin naman masyado ma-appreciate. Sayang lang. So, let's just go back here in Singapore. And then, para makapasok tayo sa Universal Studios. But for now, we're gonna skip Universal Studios. So, but hopefully soon makapasok tayo sa loob. So after tumambling-tumbling, ice cream. After tumambling. So lunch time. First time kong titikim ng laksa.
This one is what? Yeah, the one is great here.
Ayan na. So, nandito tayo sa may Palawan, Sentosa. Isa sa mga beaches dito sa may Sentosa. So, ayan. Siyempre, Asubadero. Hindi tayo magpapatinag. Kailangan maghuhubad tayo. So, ayan. Pero ganda. Tapos yung sun, pino lang din. May mga tiny na pero hindi naman siya masakit sa paa pag nakapaka. So, yun. Wala, nandito lang para mag-ikot, mag-chill, mag-picture, maghubad. Pero it's nice to actually go here. You can also swim. Wala naman bayad. Tapos, feel free. Gusto mo mag-bikini. Ganyan. Okay lang. So, after this, punta na kami ng Art and Science Museum sa may Marina Bay. And then, baka tonight, diretso na rin kami ng Marina Bay. So, I'm gonna see you guys later. Bye! So, we're currently in Marina Bay Sands.
Pero nilulo ko lang nila. Tapos meron pang nagburakay kami.
So, pupunta na kami dun sa Art and Science Museum. So, after namin ng Art Science Museum, nasa Helix Bridge kami. Yan. So, dito yung museum. Now, dito kami sa Helix Bridge. Yan. So, papunta kami dun sa kainan-kainan ng parang Mercato. So, let's go! And we're here. In Singapore, we're off to Orchard Road. Sobrang chill day for us because tomorrow we'll fly back to Manila. Sunday today, tapos puro Pinoy yung mga nasa gilid. Mga rest day. Kulit, cute nila. So walk na kami sa Orchard Road. Punta kami ng Botanical Garden. Wala na kami itinerary today. So sobrang chill na lang. Kung saan na lang kami mag-isip mapunta, ganon. So, ayun, tapos bukas balik na ng Manila. Newton Food Center naman kami next. Food trip. Let's go. Puro kain dito sa Singapore. Yung workout ko na ilang buwan, isang araw, 2 araw lang dito. Pero okay lang, masaya. Masarap kumain. Sugar cane, lasang damo.
Lasang damo.
So we're currently here in Terminal 4 sa Changi Airport. Going back to Manila na. But anyway, sobrang ganda dito. I mean, so nice, sobrang green, ang daming puno, ang daming halaman. Siguro plantito talaga yung gobyerno dito. Tapos, tignan nyo naman tong airport na to. Hindi pa to yung Jewel Changi na airport, pero daig pa yung mga bonggang mall sa atin. But anyway, super fun. Dami pang pwedeng maikot at mapuntahan, knowing na napakaliit lang ng Singapore. Pero mahal lang talaga. Prepare talaga kayo ng budget because you'll definitely need a lot. As in. Pero transpo, lagi nilang sinasabi na sobrang efficient ng transpo. Sobrang oo. Sobrang agree. Kasi sobrang dali. As in lahat magigets mo agad. Hindi ka maliligaw. Ganon. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed my Singapore trip as much as I did. I'm gonna end the vlog now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you will be notified on my next travel. So pagbalik naman nila, lilipad ako agad the following day. So definitely may new vlog na naman ako para sa inyo. So see you guys. Bye!